In this video, I'm going to show
you
can easily send location on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And first off, we need to open up Messenger. After that, enter a conversation just like that. Then tap right here at this plus, and then head over to that location top. Now here, guys, we got a couple of options how we can share a location. And the first option is start sharing our current live location. We can easily do so by typing all right here. We can just stop at this button, and it will immediately start sharing your live location with that particular user for an hour. As you can see down below, it says 59 minutes remaining. So it is going to stop sharing your location after 1 hour has passed, and also you can manually stop sharing your location if you hit right here and this button. Also, guys, we can share any other location with our friend. If we hit right here at that button, it will reveal at that map here. We can use the search bar here. We can enter any specific name of a place or an address. And also we can, in that way, just search for a location you would like to share. I can choose, let's say, that one. And now to send it to our friend, all you have to do is just stop right here. Basically, guys, that's it. Save this video. Don't forget to hit the like button.